period.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Zaria Monet, and today this video, as you can tell by the title, is a car tour slash decorate with me. So yeah, as y'all, well, y'all don't know that I got a new car. I just got a new car last Thursday, a BMW period. I just got a car last Thursday, and I had ordered some stuff from off of Amazon. But wait, hold on, before we even get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share with everybody. But yeah, I had ordered a couple stuff from Amazon, and I went to Walmart and got some stuff. So yeah, mostly all my stuff is here. I still have packages, but they're not here yet. So I'm gonna link, alright y'all, I'm gonna link everything in the description box, so if you have a car or if you're getting a new car, you can go purchase this stuff. So what I got is this rhinestone license plate frame. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I already put it on my car, but it came with two, so it just looks like this. And everything is like really like in place, like it's really neat and it's straight. But they have different ones. I decided to get the pink one, and I will leave that in the description. This was like, I believe, I want to say like $30. And I got a car charger because in my car I have one in the front and one in the back. So I got this for the back, and then I ordered this for the front. It has like rhinestones and stuff on it. And then for my car, it's already in my car, but I got this sunshade cover so the sun doesn't turn my my dashboard different colors. And then I got some air fresheners. I got this from Walmart. It smells so good. And the other kind that I have that's in there right now is this. And the other one is this. So I have two types of air fresheners in my car right now. And then I also ordered a car sucker thing. I got this from off Amazon. Rhinestones, period. You can't even see because it's so shiny. Stop playing with me. Period, like this. Stop playing with me. That, and it came with like this to put in the air vent if you want to put your phone in there instead of on your dashboard. And then, last but not least, I got a steering wheel cover. It got like rhinestones. This is some good packaging for real. I like this. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Oh, and then it comes with a push to start. Ooh. Oh yeah, and the license plate also came with one of those push to start rhinestone things. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Amazon. I still have more stuff to order for my car because my car rate be popping. Stop playing with me, y'all. Look at this. That's because I got white stuff all on my, that's so nasty. But yeah, I'm finna show y'all my car, and y'all finna decorate my car with me. So let's go. All right, y'all, so we in the car. Let me turn this down. We in the car or whatever. Turn this air down. I'm finna put this stuff in. Oh. Alright, I'm finna show y'all what the inside look like. Basically, why did it lose you like that? Basically, this is where I control like Bluetooth and everything. And then like to turn it up. Y'all, honestly, I don't really know too much about this car yet. I'm still learning. Basically, this is to turn the air up, turn it down. This controls my side and this controls the passenger side, and I believe the back seat too. I'm not sure. But then right here I got my glasses, and then I have 2 cup holders, one right here, and then this is, I could put it in sports mode and it'll show up right there. And this is how I control to drive. Don't mind my nails. Could drive, reverse, and then park. You just press this button. And then right here is how you control that right here. And then this is the passenger seat. I'm gonna give y'all, what is on my seat already? And then I got a sunroof, you know. Alright, let me try to put, I'm gonna put this, that's on the left hand. I'm gonna put this in my glove department. And then I got the steering wheel cover. Let's put that on. Do y'all want like a drive with me video? Because I would. Oh, look at this. This going at the bottom because it's not cute. Alright, we're gonna put this on. Okay. Alright. Okay, got that on. Y'all, what if this don't fit? Y'all sitting here watching me struggle. Hold on, y'all, because I ain't even take the, oh, there isn't nothing to take out. Alright, so let's try putting it like this. Okay, I'll be back once this is on, y'all, because I'm struggling. I'm back for like a whole workout. Alright. Okay, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the rest of this car. Oh, wait, I'm out of breath. I'm finna show y'all. Let's try this. Push the start there. Yeah, I should put it. Oh, that's not going to be. Alright, y'all, let's try to put this on. You cannot trust. Okay. Put this on like this. Just like that. We're gonna peel this side off. We're finna peel this side off. We're finna put. I came to the conclusion it's nothing. I don't shed tears anymore. This look weird. I think I'm finna take this off. Yeah, it look weird. But this right here is to control my lights in my car, like when it gets dark out. But it's staying on that because they automatically on. Then these are like for my window, passenger, the back two. and to lock the windows and to move my mirrors. And this is the steering wheel. And then right here is to control my lights when the car door is open, and this right here is to control my sunroof. Yeah. Another place where you can charge your phone, and then it has the aux. I don't know why, but I got Bluetooth, and it comes with like vents and stuff. Y'all, I'm finna get my car cleaned tomorrow because this rain that messed my car up. I'm gonna leave this in here. Okay. And I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Y'all, this is so... Oh my god, this is so cute! Like, stop playing. Hold up. Because why did a rhinestone just come out? Like, I'm gonna put this up. Where I want y'all. Hold on, how do I do this? I think I'm finna put y'all right here. This where y'all gonna see me drive right here. Yep. So yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is my new car. Period. I'm gonna show y'all at the end of this video. I'm gonna show y'all what the outside look like. But there's too many people outside and they looking at me. So I'm gonna show y'all what the outside look like. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with everybody.